Okay, as you can see here, I've built up a second maker module, but this one has a GPS on it. This one will eventually as well, but the GPS is not in yet, it's on order. So you can see I also reduced the standoff because have now proven that the circuit board works, so I don't need to use those long connectors anymore. But there's a much bigger gap between this display and this card than there is on this one. So let's plug it in and see if that GPS can lock in here. This is down in the basement. Okay, you can see the blue flashing light means that the GPS is locked in, and it's showing the latitude, the longitude, and the altitude or elevation. I've zeroed out the decimal places on the latitude and longitude just to keep my location a little bit of a mystery, but they display fine when I want to. In the final version, I won't be displaying latitude and longitude. I will be displaying the distance between these two modules. So I'll just calculate the distance based on the latitude and longitude, and I'll also display the altitude on both devices, so they'll exchange GPS coordinates and altitude, and on each display I'll show both altitudes so I can see the difference in elevation. And I'll also try and show the received signal strength for both devices if I can. So this is so I can figure out the various locations and how well the reception is and how long the range is that I can get with this LoRa radio system. This one right now is just displaying on the LCD, but if I don't get the GPS in time, I can always just manually enter the coordinates for the base station and put this one at the base station, and then this one will be able to calculate its distance from the base station. But that's where I am now. So we've just made the next step in adding a GPS to the maker module. So now I've got the LCD and the GPS working. And the next thing is just to, of course, plug in the LoRa radios and get them working. That's the next episode.